Today I'm with the 2024 Nissan Rogue, and here are some features that the dealership didn't show you that is going to make your driving experience a lot easier and less stressful. Feature number one. Now, most of these Nissan Intelligent keys come with a battery, and if the battery has died on you before, you were probably wondering what to do. Now, there is a key hidden in the battery here, and you just need to flick this over and pull out the key. And then you can see in the door, I can unlock the door. However, most dealerships show you this, but they don't show you how to start the car with this key. To start the car, if the battery is dead, you just need to take this Nissan symbol and push it against the start button. There's always enough juice for starting the car by pushing it against the Nissan symbol. It could get you out of a pinch if the battery is dead and avoid you from calling a tow truck. Useful tip number two. Now, you're probably wondering, hey, when is my car due for an oil change, or when should I bring it in for service? Well, the Nissan Rogue does have a maintenance calendar set right in the advanced driver assist display, so it will notify you when you're due for an oil change. All you have to do is use the controls on this screen and scroll over to the settings, which are here, and then go down to your maintenance. And then here you can see oil and filter, and I can set it to remind me. So if I want it to remind me, if you're using synthetic oil, you might be doing an oil change every 12,000 kilometers. And then it's gonna remind you to do an oil change at 12,000 kilometers. You can also set it for the tires. You can set it for anything else you want it to remind you of. So it will always make sure your maintenance is up to date. Useful tip number three, if you're the type of person that is going to be putting air in the tires, you might be wondering, how much air do I need to put in the tires here? Well, the good news is Nissan has a tire pressure monitor alert system, and as you're filling the tires, the car will honk at you when the tires get to the optimal pressure. Now, I have a full tutorial of this on my channel, so if you guys need help doing that, check out the demonstration. We'll link it in the description below. All the Rogues come with an auto start stop system where the car will shut down when you're idling at a red light or at a drive-through or something like that. And a lot of people do not like that feature, and they say, I will not buy a car with that feature. But the good news is you can turn that off right here using this auto start stop off button, and you can turn that off and deactivate that. So there you have it. Those are some useful features to help you in your Nissan Rogue. Did I miss anything that helps make your life easier? Put it in the comments below, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. As always, subscribe to Cars Unlocked, and we'll see you in the next video.